In this video, we're going to show you how to clean up an existing repository. So if we have a look at what our repository looks like using the CVS Suite Studio, in this case we can see we've got a single repository and we've got a few projects in here. Now this one here is a test project and I don't really want it in there anymore. It was only imported as a part of our proof of concept. So how can we get rid of this out of the repository? Here we go, CVS Suite Server app. We can have a look at the repositories, and here we can see the location of our repository. We copy that location, we paste it into here. Now these files are your repository. It's the equivalent of the binary files of an Oracle database, so you need to be very careful here. However, if there is something which is genuinely junk, such as this folder, then you can just delete it. Goes into the recycle bin. We empty it. We open up CVS Suite Studio. And you'll now see that the repository no longer contains that test project. Please do not delete things that you want to keep. Once they're deleted, they're obviously gone. The history of them are gone. Everything about them is gone. It's the same as deleting an Exchange server or deleting an Oracle database. Once it's gone, it's gone. Please refer to the eBook, All About CVS, that comes with the software, which includes recommendations for backup strategies of your repository server. Thank you for watching.